Now to the Igbos, the Igbo people. Respectfully, I want to ask you people this question. Why be say majority of una? I'm not categorizing everybody together. Majority of una no like anything concerning Jesus, church, pastor, Christianity as a whole. They vex una. You get what I ask? Because I don't notice, and ever since I became a blogger, most especially as I now start to notice this thing, say anything concerning pastor, church, especially when it comes to scandal. Maybe pastor don't make one mistake or one anything at all. Una they are people. Say church, Christian, Jesus, anything they get problem, now they are people. Majority of una, like I said, why is it like that? And notice say even our northerners where be say they be Muslim. The way we be say is something happen concerning church and pastor. The way we now we be the majority of una we be Igbo they happy. Even Muslim people know they like that. Now why am I saying this? I don't they watch this whole Ebuka Obi saga where don't they go on since how many days for social media? When one lady go there, go give fake testimony, say he don't buy house or rather he don't build house. Simply because Evangelist Ebuka Obi don't fair make one prophecy. Name one lady, say Lovette go happy, something like that. It was a prophecy. He not specify say that woman be the Lovette. Then this Lovette now came and say, oh, now she now in that prophecy work for, say she don't buy house, this one, that one. The next thing, boom. If Ebuka Obi is truly a man of God, if or no. Like I don't watch her since over 2 days now. I just decide say man never talk put. I don't really understand you now. In as much as I don't condemn one or two things where Ebuka Obi don't talk. But you see this one where they grant so. Why are you people putting the fault and the blame on him? Oh, he arranger. And when they make me they capitalize on the Igbo now, majority of the people almost talk the bloggers when I don't see. When they be Igbo. Now then they happy pass. Say Ebuka Obi and his ministry, they encounter this kind of scandal. Now then they happy pass. I just they view all the bloggers where they don't talk about them. Since about 3 days now, be 2 days where the thing start to the trend. I just they look. Why una they vex for things where concern Christian, Jesus, church? Why? Nobody's talking. I know the majority of una they do una traditional worshiping. And no Christian don't ever come and talk. Say, una no face una juju, una forefathers or whatever. Nobody don't ever say that one. But when it comes to church matter, una they always say, and to think say this Ebuka Obi na una brother. Later they will come and say, the people, we know they support bad thing. Jana Hemo, shut up your mouth there. Anything concerning church scandal, una they always rejoice. And they watch una for my comment section safe. Not just this one. Why is it like that? Huh? Una never even find out. Ebuka Obi don't talk say okay, then go investigate. As I hear now, don't they see videos and don't arrest the lady. They don't interview the lady saying not buy her. He then in the process of buying it and all of that. This is just somebody that want to trend the way I see it. I just feel like the lady wants to trend for the wrong reasons. Maybe because she don't discover, say, now this kind matter, now they make person they go viral. That's what I just feel. Because in a church, if it happen, boom! Last 2 weeks here, one imam, one afar, rather, not imam, by a girlfriend for Kwara Bikebi State. If we want to tell the drag Ebuka now, not drag her like that too. It was only 2 or 3 of us that posted that news on Facebook. The way where they see bloggers now, they carry their chest come out because it concerns church. I don't see una like that. Talk of that one. This is the main reason why to achieve this Biafra what una want. You go hard una. Because una not like una self. You can never see say an imam or an afar get issue, even if it surface on social media. You not go ever see any what did they call it? Now what people that they call their ability say they call social media can they drag their own imam or their this thing. Since how many days now when news they fly, say some northern states 4 of them locked down school for 5 weeks simply because of the Ramadan. I made a video about it today. All the news outlets where they don't carry. See as these Hausa people, the Muslims that they go under the comment section, they defend. Even when they say the school where they lock down, they affect other people from different religion, from different tradition, from different faith and beliefs. They don't care. As far as it work for their good, they are ready to defend it with their life. But to now not be like that. Not be say the traditional worshiping one and they do it, they move una forward. If it was so powerful, so people are defending it, why una never use them? Take secede as una they find sense. Church na problem. Matthias says that could go come. Now this one for the get power. Native doctor where they arrest and someone na disappear. Nobody don't feel disappear for inside. If waiting on they serve truly get power. Yet una they fight Christians. If they do online a problem. Why? I just want to know. It's a simple question. You all should answer me. Because I don't know what you now. See how now they drag Ebuka. All the Igbo bloggers. Even the one where they know they speak English. That they put time for everybody woto. Even though now they plan make the man fall since. And the man don't even fair give prophecy. Say, he got one clergy where they gang up with people against him to bring him and the ministry down. I don't go come here and tell you, say, whether this one are fake or this one are real. I just want to know the reason why una there against Christianity and una there against una own brothers and sisters. Una know they ever they stand for now. See, Messi Chigo that they counter problem. None of una. Now so una they do. Now una even they join people, they drag the messy pass. Why una not like una self? Why? Even for diaspora, now so that they do each other. Now so that they do each other. Now they get this country where they, if you see their character for you, gossip na their own, lie na their own. Now so that they do each other anyhow. I go just they look there. That's the reason why you see those mountains, they will always be a formidable force. If they want to do something, they will come together as an army and they will do it. But Suma Biafra one and they find system. You know why? Because many of them are saboteur. Something they happen to a brother and a sister. Now go they put fire. Now go they put fire. Now go they put fire. Wait see happen. No be saying that Ebuka Obi, the girl don't confess say Ebuka Obi na him do the RNG. But now they put some for his head. Even when the woman don't confess, say he just claim the house, he never bad. I see they see people for comment and say, na miracle, na script where they write give her, now she they read. What is it? Una don't want spoil Jesus' name by all means, you know go work for una. Now he go make una move forward, be now he go make una remain stagnant. More than think twice. Now question I ask you now, I know some of now go insult me, but now the truth is very obvious. Everybody is talking about it. Even Apostle Bamidele, I saw his preaching where they talk say na Ebuka people, na they against them. Wanna change so that no fit achieve something important. But if una not change, you go hard well. Shalom.